Let me show you something. Do you see these simple YouTube videos getting millions of views without any SEO or paid ads? They're getting crazy amount of traffic and clicks every single day, all for free. Now, what if I told you we've got the secret sauce to creating these insane traffic-getting videos that we're going to share with you today? Better yet, what if I told you that you can create traffic-getting videos just like these every day, promoting your services, building your buyers list, and selling your products on complete autopilot in under a minute? Would you be interested in that? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you our revolutionary new viral video software, Vviral, that will help you create the 3 types of videos.
Now, Vviral lets you create 3 kinds of videos that are currently getting a lot of views, a lot of engagement, and videos that can help you get more followers and get more clicks on your links in the description, or if you put it on the video. So it lets you create 3 kinds of video: code videos, GIF videos, and viral video. So let's start with code video, what it is. All right, let me click on the code video. This should take us to a code video creation panel. Now, what do you see here is that it's already, Vviral has already created the first slide for you and added a code for you, right? So essentially, code video is a slideshow video with background picture and a motivational code, so that you create motivational videos around it. So what you can do is you can click on this plus sign and add more slides, just like this, and then you can customize each of these slides as you want. So you can change this length of the slide, how long do you want the slide to be on. You can change the code, you can change the position of the code, you can change the font, you can change the text color, you can change the text background color, you can add opacity to the text, you can increase or decrease the font size, you can add a blur effect on the background to make it more readable, and if you want, you can remove the text background. You can also change this background image by searching for background images, stock free background images from our library. Now simply search for a keyword and it will add it to your background. You can also add a video clip on the background. You can also upload your own video clip or background image. It's pretty straightforward how to do this, right? You can customize each of these slides. You can add as many slides as you want. Once you're done, you click on next. Now on the next slide, you can add your logo, you can add your watermark, or you can upload your own logo or watermark, right? You can also select from your previously uploaded logos and watermarks, right? Once you add a logo, you can position it to left, right, center, over here, over here, over here, and over here. A watermark is similar to a logo. The only difference is that watermark is a little bit faded out. It has more opacity, right? So it helps you, make sure nobody else downloads and uploads your video and steals your video. All right. Once you've done that, you click on next. This is where you can add a background music to your video. So you can either add a background music from our library. We have about 700 background musics that you can pick from. You can preview them, just click on it and it'll be added. Or you can upload your own background music or your own voiceover. Or you could use our text-to-speech feature and select from all these different languages and all these different accents. Type in just copy this code, paste it here, click on generate. It'll generate the text-to-speech specifically for this slide, and once you click on save and use, it'll be added for this slide. And then you go back to the second slide and you do the same. You copy this code and you paste it here. So what will happen, your video will be talking to your audience, which looks more authentic, more engaging overall. But if you add a background music, the background music is added to the entire video, not to the slide. It's just that the text to speech is added to the slide. Each slide is unique in its own way. So once you've done doing that, you click on next. You pick how much do you want it HD or do you want it full HD, and then you select MP4 or GIF option. Do you want to create it as a video or a GIF? I recommend creating it as a video so you can publish it on YouTube, Facebook, even Instagram and TikTok as well. And once you're done that, just click on start creating videos. Once you do that, it'll take you back to the dashboard and you can see your project is a code type video in full HD and it's been rendering right now. So that's the first kind of video. The second kind of video is GIF and viral. So the second one is GIF video, and when we click on it, we give it a title name. If you want to give it a project name, if you have a project name. Now let's say we want to create a video about cats, funny cats, and then we want to promote our Shopify store about cat products, right? So I want 5 slides. Let's start with 3 slides. I want 3 slides for the cat. So what it's going to do, it's going to go and find really popular, really trending memes about cats and then add them into each slide. So we have these 3 memes already added, Giphy memes, and then we can increase or decrease the length of the slide. We can add our own text. My e-com store. Put it up here, put it up there. We can customize pretty much the same way, the way we did in the coach. We can also change this background image if you want to do that. And once you're done customizing, you go to next, you add your logo, you add your watermark. Then once you've done that, you click on next, you add your background music. You can add text to speech. You can even upload your own voiceover, and once you're done, you just render the video and the video is ready for you. So that's pretty easy. And what this does, lets you create top 10 kind of video, top 10 funny cats, top 10 funny dogs and stuff like that. And then you can promote your e-commerce store or your funnel or pretty much anything. You can find memes and animated GIFs about any topic. So you can create videos that are very funny, very engaging. People want to watch it, and since these videos are engaging, their retention rate is so high that people end up watching at least 50 to 60% of the video. And once that happens, you end up getting better retention ratio on YouTube and on Facebook, and they start ranking your video better because they get a signal that people are liking your video, they're loving it, they're watching it for a longer period, and they start ranking and showing it to more people, more audience, and that's when you start going viral. Now the third one is called a viral video. Let me go back to the dashboard so I can show it to you better. So the third one is called viral video, so I'm going to click on that. And again, I'm going to give it a title, I'm going to give it a niche. Keyword, again, it can be any keyword, whatever niche you have. And then I'm going to give it how many slides I want, just the same way as GIF video. But in viral video, what it does is it's going to go and find 3 trending videos in cat's nest from YouTube and other sources, videos that are trending right now, videos that have a lot of view and are proven to get engagement, and put those videos in your slide. Now what you can do here is, for example, you see this video, it's actually a 2-minute long video, but to convert it into a slide, you can actually crop a part of it how much you want. Let's say we want from 40 to 50, so it's a 10-second clip. This is gonna be a 10-second clip, and then I can customize it just the way I want it, and then I can add more slides as well. What this is going to do is going to help me create a video from the existing videos that are getting a lot of views, a lot of attention already, and then create some sort of a compilation of those videos with my own website link, my own message call to action added onto my own YouTube account. And again, since these videos are already getting a lot of attention, when you create some sort of a compilation of these videos, and people love compilation style videos, you're gonna get more engagement and you're gonna get more shares. And once that happens, people are gonna go to your website. You can even mention these in your YouTube title and description as well, so people can click on it, and if the video is congruent to what you're selling or what your product is, what your funnel is, it's gonna be perfect. So these are the three kind of videos that Vviral lets you create. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and all the videos that you create are proven to get you results. Again, if you have any questions, if you need anything at all, you can always reach out to our customer support team and we will be happy to help you.